welcome to my channel. I am Scratch Vibe, and I'm gonna be making a Scratch tutorial for you on how to make scrolling in Scratch. Alright, let's get started. So first, you're gonna want to drag out one green flick clicked. You're gonna want to set size to 100. Go to looks, set size to 100, and then go to 0, 0. Then what I'm gonna do is receive up arrow. When I receive down arrow. When I receive scroll up, scroll up. Then when I receive scroll down. Then I'm going to clean up blocks, actually set them up like this. Alright, now when I receive up arrow, change Y by 10. When I receive down arrow, change Y by -10. And when I receive scroll up, I'm going to change size by 10. When I receive scroll down, change size by -10. Then you want to make a new sprite. We're going to name this Detector. We're going to do the fancy stuff, so what you're going to want to do is when up arrow key is pressed, you're going to if else key up arrow is pressed, you're going to want to broadcast, scroll up, and then else is going to be broadcast up arrow. And then you're going to want to do the same thing, but when down arrow is pressed, if key down arrow is pressed, broadcast scroll down, and broadcast down arrow. And then when you press play, when you use your scroll wheel, does that. And when you press your up and down arrows, it also does that. And when you use your scroll wheel, it scrolls in and out. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this tutorial. That's all for today's video. That's how you do scroll detection, and bye.